Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili Colorado. We'll dive right into crafting this incredibly flavorful dish, focusing on the traditional method that yields the best results. This recipe relies on a careful selection of dried red chilies transformed into a rich, savory sauce. Get ready to create a truly authentic and deeply satisfying meal that will impress everyone at your table. It's a labor of love, but absolutely worth every minute. The foundation of our chili Colorado begins with the chilies. You'll need approximately 6 ounces of a mix, like New Mexico, ancho, and guajillo. First, carefully remove the stems and as many seeds as possible. Then, submerge them in very hot water for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until they are completely softened. This crucial step ensures they blend smoothly into a vibrant, flavorful paste. Now, let's transform those softened chilies into our incredible sauce. Combine the rehydrated chilies with 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 of an onion, and about 1 cup of beef broth in a blender. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt to taste. Blend until completely smooth, then strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to achieve a silky, rich consistency. For the final stage, we'll bring everything together. Brown about 2 pounds of beef chuck, cut into 1-inch cubes in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Once the meat is nicely seared, pour in your beautifully crafted chili sauce. Stir everything together, ensuring the meat is well coated. Then, cover and simmer gently for at least 2 hours, or until the beef is incredibly tender and the flavors have fully melded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.